Good morning children. Today we have to see about some important 2-mark problems from chemistry and physics. The first problem, given that 1.5 gram of solute is dissolved in 15 gram of water to form a saturated solution at 298 Kelvin. Find the solubility of that solute. Here the given data will be here. Mass of the solute is equal to 1.5 gram. Mass of the solvent is equal to 15 gram. The formula to find out the solubility of the solute means solubility of the solute is equal to mass of the solute divided by mass of solvent into 100. Okay, which of the solubility you have to find out? The solubility of the solute will be find out. Okay, so the mass of the solute will be placed at the upper position. Okay, so mass of the solute, what is the value of mass of the solute? 1.5 gram, and mass of the solvent 15 gram into 100. Okay, so 1.5 divided by 15, 1.5 multiplied by 100 will get 150 values divided by 15. So cancel out the two values, we get 10 gram. So the answer is solubility of the solute is 10 gram. Okay, the second one, calculate the number of moles in 27 gram of aluminium. So this is 2-mark question. This 2-mark question is many more times taken in the question paper. Okay, so the solution for the formula for the number of mole is equal to given mass divided by molecular mass. So given mass is 27 gram of aluminium. So what is the molecular mass of aluminium? 27. So we have to substitute the two values. 27 by 27 is equal to 1 mole. The answer is 1 mole. Okay, this simplest sum. The third one, calculate the, this is what physics problem. Okay, so calculate the resistance of a conductor through which a current of 2A passes. Okay, 2 ampere passes current value when the potential difference between its ends is 30 volt. So potential difference value is 30 volt, current value is 2 ampere. So in Ohm's law, V equal to IR. So what is the value we have to give there? So calculate the resistance value we want. Okay, so Ohm's law states that V equal to I into R, potential difference is equal to current into resistance. So what is the value of voltage? Potential difference is equal to 30 volt. What is the value of current? 2 ampere. So you substitute the equations in the two values. So what is the value you have to find out? Resistance. Okay, so this formula will be changes to R is equal to V by I. The voltage, potential difference and current values, you should substitute the two values in the formula. 30 volt divided by 2 ampere. So division the two values, we get 15 ohm. So ohm is a unit of resistance, voltage is a unit of potential difference, and ampere is a unit of current. Okay, we get the value resistance equal to 15 ohm. The fourth sum, calculate the current and the resistance of a 100 watt 200 volt electric bulb in an electric circuit. So 100 watt means power, the unit of power is equal to watt. Then volt means potential difference unit is volt. Okay, so what are the values are given there? Power and potential difference. So what is the values you have to calculate that problems? Current and the resistance. The first, you know the problem formula for power P is equal to V into I, potential difference into I. So what is the values given in the problem? Power is equal to 100 watt, potential difference is V equal to 200 volt. The formula for power P is equal to V into I. What is the unit of power value? Is equal to watt. So substitute the two values in the formula. I is equal to P by V, because now I calculated for current value, so that's why I will change to rewrite that formula. I is equal to P by V. So what is the value of potential difference? 100. What is the value of voltage? 200. So 100 divided by 200, you should division the two factors, get 1 by 2. You have to divide it for 1 divided by 2 is equal to 0.5 value. Okay, so the current I is equal to 0.5 ampere. Ampere is the unit of current. Next I will find out the resistance. Okay, now I got the value for current, and next I will find out the resistance value. So you will find out the resistance values. Now you have to use this for Ohm's law. V is equal to I into R. Now I will find also I got value current, and also I got value for potential difference. Now I will find out for resistance. So R is a unknown quantity. So you should rewrite the equation. R is equal to V by I. What is the value of potential? 200 volt. What is the value of current? 0.5. So you cancelling the decimal point. Now I will multiply for 10 in upper denomination and upper position. Now I multiply for 10. Okay, we get 2000 divided by 5. Now 5 is a 4 times multiplication of 20. Okay, 4 and 2 zeros are present here. So I get the value for 400. So what is the value of resistance? 400 ohm. The formula given there, current and resistance values I will calculate here that problem. And what is the value of given day into the formula? Power and the voltage. First you should write the formula for power value. Power is equal to V and I. So you have to, using that formula, I will find out the current value, and using Ohm's law I will find out the resistance value of the formula. So current is equal to 0.5 ampere and resistance equal to 400 ohm. Next, fifth sum. A charge of 12 coulombs flows through a bulb in 5 seconds. What is the current value? So 12 coulomb means what is the value of 12 coulomb? Charge. Okay, coulomb is a unit of charge. So charge or value of charge is equal to 12 coulomb. And time, seconds denotation for time. Okay, time is equal to 5 seconds. What is the value we have to wanted? That current value. So charge Q is equal to 12 coulomb. C means coulomb. Time T is equal to 5 seconds. I write the equation for current I is equal to Q by T. This is an equation to find out the current value. So Q is equal to 12 coulomb. T is equal to 5 seconds. Now I dividing these two factors, I get the value for 2.4 ampere. Ampere is the unit of current. So I is equal to 2.4 ampere. This is a very simplest problem, students. Please, you have to work out for that problems. Okay. Thank you.